Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of esports grade audio with the Razer BlackShark V2 X. If you're looking for a lightweight, high-performance gaming headset that won't break the bank, this might just be your next upgrade. Let's unbox it together. Right out of the box, we have the headset itself, sleek, lightweight, and oh so Razer. Alongside, there's the user guide, a splitter cable for PC users, and the signature Razer green accents throughout. Simple, clean, and everything you need to get started. Let's talk features. The BlackShark V2 X is built with Razer Triforce 50mm drivers, delivering crisp highs, vibrant mids, and punchy bass. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just vibing with your favorite music, the audio clarity is next level. Next up, the hyper-clear cardioid microphone ensures your voice is picked up loud and clear while cutting out background noise. Perfect for competitive gaming or those late-night Discord chats. And how can we forget comfort? Weighing just 240 grams, this headset is designed for marathon gaming sessions. The memory foam ear cushions are plush and breathable, making it feel like you're wearing clouds on your ears. The standout feature for gamers? 7.1 surround sound. It gives you pinpoint accuracy in detecting footsteps, gunfire, or that sneaky enemy hiding just around the corner. This headset doesn't just let you play the game, it immerses you in it. So what do you think? Are you ready to level up your gaming experience? If this sounds like the perfect fit for you, hit that like button and drop a comment below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and unboxings. Who knows, this headset might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Overall, the Razer BlackShark V2 X combines top-notch audio, lightweight design, and premium features, all at a super affordable price point. Whether you're a casual gamer or an esports enthusiast, this is a solid pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.